So many moms and grandmas are feeling trapped in that 8 to 5. And here's what's changing, my friend. If you're a grandma or you're a mom out there and you're in the digital online space and you're scrolling and you're scrolling and you're scrolling because you're wanting something different, you're tired of going that 8 to 5 job and you're thinking, what is different? What is going on in the world today that everybody is online making money and I'm stuck at this 8 to 5 job, missing those special moments with my family? What is going on? Well, if this is you, friend, I get you because I left my teaching career to come home because I was tired of missing those special moments with my family. And we have 10 beautiful grandkids, and so that I could do in order to get that done. So if you're tired of missing those special events, if you're tired of missing your family, if you're tired of missing those special moments that you cannot get back because of a job, well, then this one is for you, my friend. And the truth is, many people are out there because, why? They think that the only reason that they can make money is to go to a job. They trade their time for their money. And I want to encourage you, you can get in and you can understand a simple skill. And I'm going to go over that step by step with you so that you can get into understanding the model is changing. You don't have to work the old model anymore. For decades, we were taught a very simple formula. And in that simple formula, we were taught to go to school. We were taught to get a job. We were taught to work 8 hours a day and repeat that for 40 years. How's that working for most of us? It's not. And the system that worked for so long of time, but many people are realizing that they want something more. They don't just want an income anymore. They want the flexibility. They want to be able to show up for their kids, their families, without asking permission. We're grown adults. Why do we have to ask for permission to be off whenever we have something that comes up? We need to be our own CEO. We need to be our own boss. Everything has changed. The internet's changed everything, my friend. The internet's completely created a new opportunity. People can now build their own business using social media, email list, digital products, and automation systems. Can you even imagine that you can build your own business online for less than what the TV on your wall is or the cell phone that you're looking at me on cost? You can learn a simple skill that is your own business. And the powerful part is this. You can learn this from home. You don't have to go to college. You don't have to go to a 4-year university or a 6-year university to learn this simple skill. You can do it on your own time. And we teach you step by step exactly how to do this. And you know, the skills that matter most is this. There's so many real opportunities out there in the digital marketing today. Those skills you can create and they keep working for you over and over. So create content. You build an audience. You build trust. And you use the simple automation system that applies all of this together. You can apply those skills with almost any type of online business. Most people really struggle. They watch random videos. They do random strategies. And they eventually feel so overwhelmed that they just quit. That's why mentorship and communities make such a big difference. And that's what we teach. So what I teach is very simple. How beginners can learn a skill and they can build digital income step by step. Not working 12 hours a day, my friend. You can do this in 2 to 4 hours a day on income producing activities that allows you to build something really special for you and your family. But you're building something that eventually can give you more time freedom. You're wanting the time with your family. You're wanting to have those special moments. So if you're a mom, if you're a grandma, if you're someone out there that's wanting to get your time back, I am an app on your phone. Go to the App Store, download the app, SKOOL, and come find me, Building Digitally with Christy, but it's linked below as well. But if you're a mom, if you're a grandma, or you're someone out there that simply wants to control over your time, you're not alone, my friend. People are learning these skills every day. And if you like what you see in this video, and if this video did help you, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video because I share videos each week about how to build digital income in the online space and get your time freedom back. I'm so blessed that you're here, my friend. And if I can help you on your journey in building digitally, then just come join me, Building Digitally with Christy on this Gold platform. I would love to help you.